Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a rare bird with a casque on its bill. The Malabar pied hornbill. Unfortunately, it is listed as near threatened. The Malabar pied hornbill, also known as the lesser pied hornbill, is a bird in the hornbill family. A common resident breeder in India and Sri Lanka. A large black and white hornbill with a huge bill and casque. The plumage is almost entirely black but for the white on the belly and the sides of the throat. Sexes are alike except that the female has a white patch around the eye. It inhabits evergreen and deciduous forests and forest edges. Their calls are like locally named Poru Dakaththa. I have seen the Malabar pied hornbill many times all over Sri Lanka. One such place I have seen them is Thanamalwila. Thanamalwila is the only place where I have seen the Malabar pied hornbill's nest. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the jungle owlet.